Hey there! What if I told you that landing your dream job could be as simple as having an AI assistant at your fingertips? Today, we're not just crafting any resume, we're building one that truly stands out from the pile, and we'll do it using a real-life example for application for a consumer marketing intern position at PayPal. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to elevate your resume with ChatGPT. Ready? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Building the foundation. First up, crafting that essential first draft. A strong foundation sets the tone, so I prompted ChatGPT with a specific request. As a professional resume writer specializing in business administration, help me draft a resume for a consumer marketing intern. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's what ChatGPT provided: a tailored objective statement. Results-oriented recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in business administration, seeking to leverage academic expertise and internship experience in a consumer marketing intern role. Why does this work? It positions me as someone eager and ready to contribute without unnecessary fluff. It's strong, to the point, and instantly grabs attention. This is your opportunity to make a fantastic first impression. Remember, the first few lines are your hook. Make them count. Step 2. The magic of specific achievements. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Adding those specific standout achievements. I asked ChatGPT to weave in my accomplishments with a prompt like, I want to include more specific achievements in my resume. Here is a list of my accomplishments. Please integrate them into the appropriate sections. Here's an example it produced. Conducted comprehensive market research, identifying consumer preferences and competitor strategies, enhancing product launch insights, which led to a successful introduction of a new product line that exceeded initial sales targets by 20%. See the power of specifics? Numbers don't lie. Quantifying your success adds credibility and showcases measurable impact. This is a crucial factor for any hiring manager sifting through dozens of resumes. When you provide concrete results, you transform your resume from a list of tasks into a narrative of your achievements. Remember, the more specific you are, the more memorable you become. Step 3. Tailoring to the job description. Here's a game changer. Customizing your resume to match the job description. ChatGPT can help with this too. I asked, analyze the job description and identify the top 3 responsibilities. How can I adjust my resume to highlight relevant experiences? ChatGPT spotted the key tasks, like supporting global marketing strategies and collaborating on digital marketing campaigns. By honing in on these focal points, I could better align my experience with what PayPal was seeking. The lesson: don't send out generic resumes that look the same for every application. A little tailoring can make all the difference in catching a recruiter's eye and showing them you're the perfect match for the role. Think of it as customizing your approach for each opportunity. You wouldn't wear the same outfit to every event, right? Step 4. Polishing for impact. With the resume draft in hand, it's time to refine and polish. I asked ChatGPT, can you further improve my resume based on the above 3 points of resume adjustments? The result? Supported the execution of global marketing strategies by conducting market research on consumer preferences, directly contributing to a product launch that exceeded sales targets by 20%. These refinements emphasized collaboration and clear outcomes. Using action-oriented language makes your contributions feel dynamic and impactful. You're not just listing duties, you're highlighting your influence and the positive results of your work, making your resume a powerful testament to your abilities. Remember, your resume is your personal marketing tool. Make it as compelling as possible. Step 5. The power of proofreading. A polished resume isn't complete without a final proofread. You'd be amazed how much a single typo can derail an otherwise stellar resume. I prompted ChatGPT, please review this resume and suggest improvements for clarity and tone. Focus on making it sound professional and engaging, and the content should look like it was written by a human, not AI. Attention to detail? Check. Conciseness? Double check. Taking that final round of edits is the cherry on top. ensuring your resume shines and stands out to any recruiter. And here's a pro tip: read your resume out loud. It's amazing what you'll catch that you might miss when reading silently. This simple trick can reveal awkward phrasing or errors that could hurt your chances. Now, let's hit pause for a second. Here's something most people overlook. Many resumes, especially AI-generated ones, can feel a bit cold. They lack the human touch that sets you apart from the crowd. Want to stand out? Infuse your personality. ChatGPT is fantastic, but it's your unique voice that makes you memorable. For example, instead of simply saying, "collaborated with team members," try, "I thrive in team environments where collaboration drives innovation and success." Suddenly, you sound like a real person, not a robot. The twist? While AI gets you 90% of the way there, the secret to a truly standout resume is you. Your individuality and passion are what will resonate with employers. Step 6. Preparing for interviews. Once your resume is ready, the next step is nailing the interview. I use ChatGPT to help prepare by asking, "Generate a list of common interview questions for this job position. What are the 3 main reasons these questions are asked?" ChatGPT didn't just give me questions. It revealed what PayPal is really looking for. Questions like, "How do you stay updated with digital marketing trends?" Or, "Can you provide an example of a campaign you've worked on?" aren't merely about your skills. They're designed to assess how you solve problems, manage multiple tasks, and fit into a global team. Knowing why they ask these questions allows you to craft answers that show you're not just qualified. You're the perfect fit for the role. It's not just about impressing them. It's about aligning yourself with what they value most. Remember, it's a two-way street. You're assessing them just as much as they're assessing you. So what's the takeaway? ChatGPT can be an incredible tool to craft a compelling resume, but at the end of the day, it's your personal touch that will make it unforgettable. Draft with purpose, refine with precision, and always ensure it reflects you. The best resumes are those that tell your unique story while showcasing your qualifications. Now, over to you. What unique touch will you add to your resume? Drop a comment below. Happy job hunting!